Have you ever thought to yourself that how can we smooth our own videos? Don't worry, because today I'm here to show you how to convert 30 FPS to 60 FPS. So this is the preview. And maybe you can't see the change so well, but after you made it, you see lots of change. This video is so short and easy, so open Capcut and follow my steps. This is my video and I want to do 30 FPS to 60 FPS for this. So in the first, go to a suite and do this. It may take a few moments. It's related to your time clip. After that, export your video and make a new project. And add your clip. Now add your first video on overlay. Maybe you said why, but I'm gonna tell you, because we need to change our long speed video. I don't tell anything, just go to your long video and change speed to fixed time with overlay. I don't know if you understand or not, but if you don't, watch again. Now maybe you said, oh bro, I didn't see the change. Don't worry, because you need to export for serial change. Thanks for watching, guys. Watch more tutorials here.